What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing for you guys on this EDC flashlight that I've actually got on Amazon. And it's, you know, so far, the specs, everything, it actually looks like a really great flashlight, and I'm actually very excited to open it up. So I actually got this with my tool haul, and I decided to do a separate unboxing with specs for you guys because it was totally different from the other tools and stuff that I bought from the tool haul. So let's get into it. Alright, so this is the box right here. Rovyvon is the company that makes it. First time I'm actually buying something from them. Rovyvon, it's the Aurora A1. It runs on a Cree XPG3 LED light. Super compact construction. It is super small. That's the reason why I bought it. In the back of the box, it has a bunch of, you know, it has descriptions, some specs. Max output 550 lumens, max distance 80 meters, max runtime 2.5 hours, and it is impact resistant to 1.5 meters as well. So let's open it up. The cool thing about this though is that it comes with a little ball necklace that you guys can, if you guys do want to use this as like a neck light, you guys can. It's really long, just goes inside the loop right here, and then you guys can put this on top of your neck like that. All right, the next thing that was in that little package is a clip. If you do decide to, you know, carry it not on your keychain or on your neck, you can also have a clip, and there's 2 slots for it, so it'll make it easier for you guys to it'll make it easier to attach the clip however you guys want to do it. So I'm pretty sure all you have to do is just snap it in place like that. Then you can put in your shirt, your pocket, or whatnot. But it is really small, so it will be easy to get lost in your pants. So keep that in mind as well. All right. So next thing we have in here is which is really cool. It's an extra USB rechargeable cover. In case this gets lost or damaged, you can always replace it. So that was actually really cool too. First time I've ever seen a company do that. And this is what else it comes with. It comes with a wristband, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, so it's just loop it through, put it on. Comes with a USB charging cable, micro USB, and instruction manual. Get into the flashlight. So the operation for the flashlight is very easy. All you have to do is hit the power button twice to turn it on and stay on. So to do that, hit the power button twice, and it'll start off in low, and the low has a 22 lumen output with a runtime of 190 minutes. Hit it again, it'll go into medium, and the medium has a 230 lumen output with a runtime of 55 minutes. Hit it again, and it goes into high, which is a 550 lumen output and runtime of 38 minutes. When you are in high, after 2 minutes of runtime, it will get really hot. So when it gets hot, it is temperature controlled. So the LED, the lumen output will drop down to 65 lumens. So pretty much you can't be in high for over 2 minutes because it will get too hot, and because it is temperature controlled, it will drop the lumens down to 65 to prevent any damage to the flashlight itself. So this light right here, charging wise, it takes 45 minutes to completely charge its 4.2 volt 130 milliamp battery, which is actually a really quick charge in my opinion. All right, so a little size comparison. Here's a regular sized pen, or a Sharpie I'd say, and it's the size of, like, about the size of the cap of the Sharpie. So it's very small, very compact, and very light. Alright guys, so that is the Rovyvon Aurora A1 EDC flashlight. The unboxing with specs. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. I had fun making it. And if you guys do consider buying it, you guys can check it out on Amazon for $20. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also, check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY, where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!